Welcome back to today's class, children. Hope you have listened to the yesterday's video. Today, let us continue the second part in the flowering plant, that is about the shoot system. Yesterday's class we discussed about the root system. Today we are going to discuss about the shoot system. In the shoot system, the main part which is holding all the remaining parts of the plant is nothing but the stem. Okay, so we are going to discuss about the stem today, right? So you can see the picture, children, which is showing the different parts of a flowering plant. So a plant consists of two parts: the down, which is under the soil, the down part, that is nothing but the root, and the upper part, which is above the soil, is nothing but the shoot. So in the shoot we can see the stem, the leaves, the buds, then even the flowers, and the flowers develops into a fruit, right? So what are this? What is this? What is a shoot? The part of the plant which is above the soil is called the shoot system. What is the function of this shoot system? The function of this shoot system is it keeps the plant upright. Not only that, even transports water and minerals, food, holds the leaves to obtain maximum sunlight, stores food, and can perform the process of photosynthesis to manufacture food. So these are all the functions of the shoot. Keeping the plant upright, transports water and minerals, food, holds the leaves to obtain the maximum sunlight, stores food, and can perform the process of photosynthesis. Now, let us see not only those functions, these leaves, the stem also function some special things. So they also perform special functions. So those special functions are nothing but called as modifications. So modifications of the stem, the first one is the stem that stores food. In some plants, like similar to that of a root, the stem also stores the food. So in some plants, the entire stem remains underground. The stem part will be present inside the soil. Only the leaves and flowers are seen above the ground. So we can see only the leaves and flowers above the ground, children. The remaining stem part will be under the soil. The underground stem stores the food. So they store the food in them, and it is the stem, it has nodes. As it is having the nodes, internodes and scales. You can see the scales clearly on a potato, children, sometimes which is directly brought from the ground. So as it is having a node under internode and scales, then it is nothing but the stem part. So what is a node? The node is a point where the leaf comes out in the shoot system. The distance between two nodes is nothing but called as internodes. So as it is a stem. How do we say it is a stem? Because it has a nodes, internodes and scales. Okay, so this is the first one, that is modification of stem, that is stem that stores food. Coming to the second one, stem that supports, children. So we all know that there are some plants which cannot stand straight. So they have very weak and thin stem and they need support to stand. Okay, so those plants will have will get support by a long spring-like structure which is called as tendrils. See in the picture, children, the first picture at the top right hand, you can see the tendrils beautifully which is there, right? Like a telephone wire it is, right? So those are nothing but called as tendrils, and these tendrils coil around a pole or a branch of a tree and gives support to the plant to stand straight. So the second modification is stem that supports. Examples, you can say almost all the climbers. So here you can see the examples of grapes, then down one is bitter leaves, even the bitter gourd, yes, and even the pea plant, bean plant, almost all the climbers, they come under this category. Okay, children. Now coming to the third one, that is stem that manufactures food. So in some plants, the stem is leaf shaped. The stem is leaf shaped, fleshy and green. They look always green in color. So such a stem manufactures food for the plant in the absence of leaf. So here they don't have the leaf. The stem only is modified as a leaf and they prepare food for the plant. Example, we can say almost all the desert plants, that is like aloe vera, cactus, etc. The picture show you the different varieties of the cactus plants. So these are the examples of the stem that manufactures food. Okay, children. So this is about the stem, that is about the shoot system. In the first part of the shoot system, today we discussed about the stem. The remaining parts we will discuss in the next class, children. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.